3D printing a steak sounds futuristic, but when it comes to flavor, is it the breakthrough we've all been waiting for? Wired tests the reality behind 3D printed meat, and the results are, well, mixed. Stakeholder Foods, an Israeli company, has developed 3D printers that can create plant-based steaks, fish, and other cuts of meat. Using a blend of soy and pea proteins, oil, and other ingredients, they're able to print the structure of a steak, mimicking muscle fibers and fat. First up, 3D printed whitefish fillets. While the printer can replicate a fish's flaky texture, the reality didn't quite match up. When cooked, the fish fell apart, turning into a mushy, mousse-like consistency with barely a hint of fish flavor. Next, I tried the 3D printed fillet steak. Despite a promising Maillard reaction on the surface, the interior was dry and bland. It resembled steak in appearance, but lacked the juiciness and richness that makes a great piece of meat. Plant-based meats should delight us, first with taste, then with technology. But when companies focus too much on the how and not enough on the why, the flavor, things start to fall apart. The result? Foods that might look the part, but fail to deliver any real joy on the plate. Arik Kaufman, CEO of Stakeholder Foods, believes that three-dimensional printed meat can change the game. But while the tech is impressive, the product needs to be delicious first. In the end, the three-dimensional printed steak is more a technological experiment than a culinary revolution. It shows potential, but until it can deliver the flavor we crave, it's just another futuristic gimmick. The food of the future needs to do more than impress with technology. It needs to satisfy our senses, excite our taste buds, and most importantly, to be healthy for human consumption and taste delicious. What do you think? Would you try three-dimensional printed meat? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. For more food innovations, don't forget to subscribe.